Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are gonna be playing some Waste Off Hot Wheels. Wait, no. Let's play some more Sonic Boom for y'all guys. So if y'all haven't saw my last video, I told you that I'm doing this currently on my tablet because I found it. And I posted that video on YouTube already. And then this video is going to go out there, and this is going to be part 2. So, let's go. Using the device. Chaos Blast! Oh, it let me do it. Oh, because I connected to my internet. Okay. So let's do Chaos Blast. This is the new event, but I've never heard of it before. So I'm not gonna get my high score this time. Okay. Dang it! I want to keep doing it. I think I can name.
Oh.
Sit. Oh, wait. I thought I connected to the internet. But now it's saying I have to. Now it's saying I'm not connected.
Oh, Jesus, Tristan. I bet we're going to have to go pay these.
Okay. Here we go. Now we're doing the actual one.
Tristan, I can't.
Okay, guys. Doing pretty good at the moment.
Good afternoon. Thank you for calling Walker County Tag and Tax Office.
Hi, I just have a question. If I pay these over the phone, am I going to have a fee, an extra fee on top of that? Yes, like when do y'all go to run like my debit card? Is there going to be
Look, I'm going against that door.
you doing a fee for a card? Okay. How late are y'all
That
there
is.
today? Till 5. Okay. All right. Thank you very much. All right. Bye-bye.
Uh-oh, here we go. Stay in it.
Hey,
Hey,
I'm going to have to go to Walker County and pay.
why?
Because if I give them my debit number, they're going to charge me.
Okay.
So I'm going to have to end up going and paying.
Fine. You'll be going through there anyway. Well, close.
Well, what I'll do is on the way to Janie's, I'll go that way first, pay, run to Janie's.
Okay.
But we'll probably will be leaving here about a little at 2, around 2.
Grab that fork from them back there.
Open
A fork
this.
truck.
Now, do I have to have all these
What is
statements?
this?
I don't know. No, you should just be able to tell them the address and be able to pay it. Make sure you get me a receipt and everything, though, so I can put it in my tax file.
Okay.
Okay?
Alright, we're gonna go outside and vacuum the car.
You guys,
All right, be very
bye.
careful. Let me
Make
know
sure
when
to
y'all leave.
subscribe.
Alright.
Comment down below
Love you
if you like this video.
Bye. You ready, Bubbles?
Bye, guys.
Are you ready?
Yeah.